Okay, good morning. So for this video, I will show you how to claim the rewards from the website. Kasi marami akong nababasa, although nobody's asking me, pero marami akong nababasa sa FB na page, paano daw i-claim yung mga rewards. Minsan din naman sa TikTok account ko, merong nagtanong, paano daw i-claim yung coupon, paano i-claim yung ganito. So, yeah, first, if it's a coupon, eto, punta kayo dito sa tatlong horizontal lines, and then settings, account, and then register a coupon. Yun lang. Enter nyo yung coupon dyan. Okay, and then makikita nyo yung reward dito sa mail. Okay, so again, 3 horizontal lines, settings, account, register coupon. Enter nyo yung coupon dyan, press OK, tapos na. Next, itong sa event. So for the events, itong rewards galore for simply checking in. So punta kayo dito, go to check in, my coupon box, Lord 9 Infinite Class. I-click nyo to, check in, shop check-in rewards. Pagka-click nyo nyan, click nyo yung use. And then, pipili na kayo ngayon kung sinong character yung papadalhan ng reward. Okay? Ganun lang. So, for me, ito, yung character ko. And then, the coupon has been redeemed. Yun lang. Tapos na. And then, nga pala, ito yung bagong event ni Lord 9. Generous sila ngayon. Nagbigay sila ng maraming fated avatar summon tickets, pero I don't know. Alam naman natin, walang laman yan. At tsaka ito. So, don't miss na mag-login. Kahit di kayo maglaro, mag-login na lang kayo. Okay? Mag-login kayo. So, that's it for the video. I hope nakatulong ako. And if may katanungan kayo or comment, please don't hesitate to comment and keep grinding.